This is Alex. Alex is 28 and ready to go back to school to earn her high school diploma. She wants to complete her classes online, but has questions about how it works. Is this you too? Returning to high school might feel daunting, but at Excel High School, we're here to make it as simple as possible. In this video, we'll answer the most common questions students have about enrolling in the Adult High School Diploma program online in 5 minutes or less. Let's start by talking about who qualifies for the program. Our Adult High School Diploma program is perfect for students like Alex, or anyone who's 18 years old or older and has been out of high school for at least 6 months. You're never too old to fulfill your dream of earning your high school diploma. You might be wondering what kind of diploma you're actually getting. This isn't a GED or an equivalency diploma. This is an accredited high school diploma with accreditation from COGNIA and the Middle States Association of Colleges and Schools. Can you use it for a job? Yes. Can you use it to attend college? Yes. What about the military? Yep, that too. If you have questions about if this diploma could work for you, feel free to check out the accreditation page on our website for more details. So let's talk timeline. How long does it take to earn a high school diploma from our flexible online program? When you enroll, courses will be available immediately for you to get started. We don't require you to log in or attend classes at any set time. The course material is always there and available for you to work on in a way that works for your own schedule, even if that's 2 a.m. on a Sunday. That means you're in control of how fast you complete your coursework. The faster you work, the faster you graduate. So how much coursework is there? To earn a high school diploma with Excel High School, you need to earn a total of 21.5 credits. And you don't necessarily have to earn all those credits with us. If you've already earned high school credits, we can transfer them in. You just need to have your previous high school send us your transcript after you enroll. Then you can complete the rest of your credits from us. But you will need to plan on taking at least 6 credits from Excel High School in order to graduate. This is a requirement from our accreditation. When you enroll, we always set you up with those 6 credits first. And then after we get your transcript, we'll know if you need any more. 6 credits is equivalent to 1 grade level. With our flexible and self-paced program, we often see students finish that 1 grade level in just 3 to 6 months. So let's say we've answered your questions and the program sounds like a good fit. Let's talk about what you need in order to get started. First, you need a computer or laptop with high-speed internet to use while taking our courses. A phone or tablet won't be sufficient to access all of the functionality of Excel High School courses. Some common choices for students are Chromebooks, Windows laptops, and Mac laptops. You'll also need to be ready to pay affordable monthly payments each month. When you first enroll, you'll make your first payment, then you'll automatically be charged the same amount on the same day each month until you graduate. Or if you're still with us after 10 months, then you would have paid the most we charge for monthly payments. And you can keep taking classes with us for free for up to 2 years. And you can also cancel anytime if you need to. If the Adult High School Diploma program is the right one for you, you can enroll anytime directly through our website. Just click Enroll Now in the upper right-hand corner of the website and select Adult High School Diploma Online. First, you'll be able to create your account where you can upload information like your ID or your unofficial transcript for reference until your official transcript arrives from your previous school. Then, once you're ready, you can make your payment and get started. If you have any questions before enrolling or along the way, we have a helpful team of success coaches and support staff available to answer your questions. You can reach them by giving us a call or sending a message through our website. Like we said, we're here to make things as simple as possible. So what are you waiting for? Complete your enrollment today and take your first step to becoming a high school graduate with Excel High School.